Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So I am sharing with you guys a ton of hauls to make up for all the shop with me's that I shared with you. I hope you enjoyed all the shop with me's. I did 7 different stores in 7 days. Well, I guess 9 days. But I took a break and I shared one haul, and then I also wanted to upload Michael's shop with me. And the reason why I did that was because the shop, Michael's had a huge sale that was taking place, and also I wanted to be very consistent with when I was filming the Dollar Tree. I wanted to have that posted to the channel with less than 24 hours later. So if I had filmed after work, I would then immediately come home, work on it, and hopefully have it released either in the evening or the next day as soon as possible, so that you guys would have access to seeing what was new. But I have a haul for you. This haul's kind of got some food finds. I think I was hungry while I was shopping, and that's probably a big no-no. However, I was good and I did not buy, I don't think, well, no, see, I did. I'm looking at it right now. I wanted to talk a little bit before I get right into the haul. I wanted to talk to you guys about the napkins, so give me one second. Speaking of napkins, do you guys, I know that I'm in Canada, so I don't know if you guys benefit from the Costco shop with me, but I've been going to Costco a little bit more these last couple weeks, and I was just wondering if you wanted me to film for you, or if that's not something that would benefit you, just let me know. I did go in, and the White Swan paper napkins were on for $8.99. So there's 1,100 napkins in here, and I told you guys that I was going to price them to see if it was valued better to buy Costco, or Dollar Tree. And I recently talked to you guys about how Dollar Tree had gone from 180 down to 160, and now they're down to 150. So here in Canada, I pay $1.25 for these. I know you guys in the US pay a lot less, so that, and plus I pay taxes, so everything ends up being $1.40 here in Canada. So unless it's certain food products, then there's no taxes, such as bread, which I love buying bread at Dollar Tree. This was on sale. Typically, I think it's regularly $11.99, if not maybe $12.99. So I want to tell you that this is not a good value, not a good deal, unless you just specifically like White Swan. They're literally just for wiping your mouth at the table. Actually, I don't even use napkins when I have company. I always like to have very nice cotton napkins that I wash, that I love having for company. This is more just for the kids when they're eating, just to keep their hands and their mouths wiped. You know how that is. Especially with white chairs in the kitchen, they're always a hot mess. And I wanted to say, I'm like not focused today at all. I've learned from my recent trip, these were on sale, so it was okay. But I will tell you that it's still a better value, even when these are on sale for $8.99 here, that you are better off with 7 of these packages, because for $8.75 you'll get 7, right? Yeah, I'm doing my math right. $8.75 you'll get 7 of these packages. $8.99 okay, let's try this again. For $8.99 you get 1,100 from Costco on sale. If it wasn't on sale, it would be, I believe, anywhere between $11.99, I think, to maybe $12.99. Okay. At the Dollar Tree, you're getting 150 per bag. So with 7 of these for $8.75, you're going to get 1,050 napkins. I still think Dollar Tree beats Costco for the better value. Now, from now on, I will know, and I mean, for an extra 25 cents, I got an extra 50 napkins. But regular price, Costco is not the better value, and I thought it would be, but it's not. Okay, so that's out of the way. I want to talk, now I'll share the haul. So let's, I got another little Happy Halloween. I just think it'll be cute in the bathroom downstairs. I also put the cute little trick or treat and Be Merry, Eat Scary, something like that, in the bar area, so I just thought it would be cute to have these. I also put the potions. I'll film it and share with you guys how I did it. I got some of these poopy sacks for Bear. I did grab 3, and then when I was going through all of the stores, this is a really great value. They all had them fully stocked, but I was like, oh my gosh, 60 bags for $1.25. This was like the best score, but you know what? I think it might be a staple now. So there's 60 bags, however, no compartment. You'll need to have like a little, I have a flashlight from the Dollarama that I just slide. It's made purposely for dog walking. So it has a space for the poopy bags and then the flashlight. So there's 60 bags per pack. And then I got some of these for Halloween. I always like to give the kids, all of the neighborhood kids, I love to have one of these around their neck. The reason being, we do not have street lights where we are. It is pitch black. I want them to be visible even before there's a reflector or something. I want them to be lit up and seen. So some of them will prefer to wear like bracelets or necklaces, and some of them will prefer to wear these danglies. I find that they always want the purple. I have to look for more of these. They have reduced them. If you saw on my shop with me, that these are down to 3 a piece in a pack. So I actually did some digging through and then found the 4-piece. Super cute baskets that I could not pass up. This will be my new letter tray. Not really a letter tray, but I have lots of reports that I print for work, and typically they're always stacked nicely in, I've been using that daisy laser printed pink one from the Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna upgrade it to this one because I think this is super cute. And then I got some fun goodies. So I got a matte lip color berry sorbet. And then I also got a lip color in Very Sweet. That's what I was trying to say. So I bought Posh, and it is a little bit of a different tint. This is more of a lip balm. The other one is a lipstick. So, and that one's matted. I caved and I bought this little thing for, I think, Christmas for my daughter. And it's a cupcake bear. Turns into a little cupcake and a little bear. I don't know if you can see that. See, like it goes from cupcake and then you pop it. And I think they might even be, I was gonna say yes, they're scented as well. And it's also cute because there's like all of these little different cupcakes. And she had the most beautiful set that a family had given her, a beautiful set of a game. And it came with cupcakes. It had bottoms, middles, and tops. Honestly, that was one thing she didn't even play it as the game. She would mix and match and make cupcakes, and it was probably one of her favorite toys. And I thought it was so great for her little motor skills because they had to insert pieces and clip things together. I don't know where that cupcake game is from, but I would love to buy it for a future little girl because it's such a great game. Okay, I got another little pack of Betty Crocker. I'm just gonna keep these to the side. They are 2 in a pack, but I love them for snacks for the kids because I always send everything in a litterless lunch. And that's the school rule too. So I got one more of these gel pen bookmark Maple Leaf things. I thought it was perfect actually for going along as a birthday gift attached to a birthday card with a gift card, or even for Christmas, you know, like a Christmas card with a gift card, and then just something small to give. I'm not really, I made my list, started making my Christmas list, and I'm trying to really be mindful of what I'm giving to people this year so that they're not left with something, you know, that they have to dispose of. So I'm trying to, I'm trying not to buy too many things to put in people's homes. We all know, like, we're trying to avoid clutter in our life. I did buy this little Hello Winter Christmas ornament. I wanted to repurpose it. Now there are larger ones that I found, and it's another haul because these are all separate. So this was the reason for it. However, now the idea may be transferred over to the other. And then these 2 things I couldn't pass up. There's the Tana Premium Polished Leather. This one is black and this one is brown. I bought them for my husband's shoes, but I'm thinking I can even use them in the craft room for distressing. So kind of like a wax, you know, on a finish like that and stuff. So we'll see. This is a really great product. These run for like $10.99 plus here in Canada. And yeah, Tana.com if you want to take a look. They're made by the Johnson Company, I think. And I got one of these. These are metal. Aren't they beautiful? Just, you know what? It even goes with my decor. You'll probably see some of the gold right in that painting, and I have like a little, but yeah, I'm just thinking maybe something, even if I filled it with little pumpkins or Christmas pine cones, something, it still goes with my home decor. It's super simple and light and airy. Okay, so some of my food items, I bought the tomato basil, and I actually bought two because these guys are organic. They're good till December 11, 2019. My husband and I both love basil and tomato. I even have two little basil plants growing under my light on the stovetop all the time. And these run for like $4.99 at the grocery store. They're made by Imagine, and they're 80% organic ingredients. So you can even add things to it if you want to add like orzo pasta or something like that to it, you can. I bought him another little pack of Weetabix. This is something as a staple that I tend to buy. However, they're starting to kind of disappear at the Dollar Tree, so that's making me a little bit sad, and I probably should buy a few more. I caved and I bought the Lotus biscuits. I love these, but I'm not going to eat them. I'm going to save them for Christmas. Well, maybe not, but hopefully for like something of a gathering of some sort. And I bought the coconut ones, and I bought the Happy Swing in the cocoa. These are my favorite, super sweet. If you do not like sweet things, these things are so sweet. And but I love them with my coffee or my tea, and I don't take sugar in my coffee or tea, so I find it really odd that I love them. But they taste delicious, and they melt in your mouth, and they're so good. And I'm going to hide them so I don't eat them. If you find ornaments such as these that are going to they're on sale and they look like they've fallen apart on you, guys, we're crafters. We take some hot glue, we attach it back together, and we move on, and we save ourselves a whole $1. And everything is here, like all the pieces are here. I just need to glue them back together. So I love this blue, and I think it's gonna go somewhere in a display because look, it matches everything. And I'm going, even if I don't need to glue them back together, I can separate them. Maybe that's the way it was meant to be for me. Maybe I'm supposed to just have them layered out on top of something. Anyways, for 25 cents, I couldn't pass that up. Then I also got these beautiful canvas placemats. They're just a simple linen, the same stuff that we see the canvas, the little canvas, what are they called? Pouches or makeup pouch or pencil cases, the same stuff. So I plan to use these in a DIY, of course. I caved and I bought this darn sign, out of office. Out of office for every time I go shopping at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put it on my office desk, my desk. Out of office, find me at Dollar Tree, because I swear I live there. Okay, and a couple other goodies. These ones here, I was so happy to find because I love to make stuffing. And you know, I'm so disappointed that President's Choice discontinued my favorite stuffing. In case anyone is hearing out there from Zayre's Loblaws, you had the most wonderful President's Choice stuffing with cranberries and all sorts of goodness in it. And you haven't made it for 2 years. I am so sad. Because honestly, your stuffing was the best. And now I'm resorting to other stuffing. So this one here is a seasoned stuffing. I think it's a great company, Brownberry. So there's that. I bought another little box here. I just think I'm gonna put together something from someone. And it's just a cute little gift box that says autumn on it. I've already used one of them, and now I have to buy another one. It says gather together, gather together. And inside is this cute, says harvest, and a cute little pumpkin design. I always talk about this every time I go in. If I find one, I buy one. This one here is only a 7x9. They did not have any 8x10s, which kind of makes me sad. But you guys know I love using this wood. I've transformed a couple of these into really nice crafty items and, well, decor items in the house. I've changed one into a little mini ladder. I've made one of my favorite ones, says joy on it for Christmas. Anyways, if you want to take a look on the channel, you will find some cute stuff that's made with those canvas boards. One last thing before we go. I know a lot of you are reverse transferring, like turning these around and turning them into signs. I just want you to look when you're at the Dollar Tree for what is the sturdiest, chunkiest looking board, because it can make all the difference in making it look more real and authentic. So for example, this one here is a little bit thinner. I'll show you this one. This one here. I had purchased this previously. I wish I had bought more. Unfortunately, it was the only one. And well, no, there were a few on the peg when I walked in. And then as I was checking out, they were all cleared off the shelf. So as I was shopping and filming for you guys, an hour later, they got sold out. And I only think there were 4 or 5 hanging on the peg. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you that if you look at these here, see how the little boards are all in and out like that, but see how much thinner it is? And if you look at this one, I'll just give you an example here. You have all this extra, see, I'm in line here almost. Well, I'm actually like, this one is so much thicker, it even pops out more. But see how much more width you have. So it makes it look a lot heavier. Another option is if you don't have access to these and you don't want to spend money on these, because then you also have to, you know, put them all together, just go to your home hardware store, and for I think $5 you can get the really thin, they look like shingles, I think that's what they call them, even though not shingles for your roof, but like just a clear natural wood. You can stain it whatever color, you can paint it. I used it in a porch decor piece that I have outside. I absolutely love it. The acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree has stood through storms, rain, sunshine, and I mean sunshine is on there all day long, and they've held up really well. So that's my other recommendation. If you don't want to use these boards, just grab some from your local hardware store and then put them together. It's super easy, and I've shared with you how to do that on the channel. But I just want you to keep in mind, so that's why I'm talking a little bit about these signs. When you see them, go for the heavier looking one. You'll see a ton of these for Christmas time. If you need them to reverse, go for the heavy, sturdy looking one. Unless, of course, your space is limited and you want a thinner look. I think the heavier look looks more like real wood. So that's my tip. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul, and until next time, everyone, I look forward to sharing more hauls with you guys, of course, because they're all kind of coming now, one after another, because I did 7 days of shopping at 7 different stores. Anyways, until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.